Welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning. If you're new to the channel or just watching on a regular basis, please give us a like, share, and subscribe. Please follow if you're on Rumble. We're still short on followers to achieve our Rumble Creator Program. Today, as every day on this channel, is to give us an update on the growth in the garden. Today is a super warm day. It's a couple of very high temperature days. It is normal for Quinte West in the summer to achieve temperatures of 30 degrees, but this morning it's waking up to 21, very windy. The wind actually took the power out for a little bit. Neighbor's generator came on. But it's going to be a beautiful hot day. Oh, look at these berries coming in. Wow. This is the kind of summer days I look forward to. Well, our compost potatoes, as we noticed, have reached the kind of their growth peak. And we're looking forward to harvesting these first to consume fresh. But I was thinking about it too, being in a compost pile, they might just be riddled full of insect holes. Yes, well, our pepper plants are doing fine. Yes, look at that, eh? That's from the heat. The soil, that soil is moist. Nice pepper plant. There's our other two tomato plants. Since these peonies are done their thing, we'll have a better view. Let's bring ourselves out a little here. There we go. All right. Any luck at all? Nope. Nada. Nothing. I think we can give up on a sunflower growing there. Buds on the pepper plants. Oh, new buds on this pepper plant. Yes, yes, you'll get more sun. Wow, slugs. Slugs are doing a number on this one. What's to be expected? They're going to climb down these leaves. Okay, how's our other sunflower? Oh, look at you. Just beating right past the ones in the front yard, even though I planted you like 2 weeks later. Okay, let's keep going down the row that looks fantastic at night with all the lightning bugs. I was actually in a play once called Where Have All the Lightning Bugs Gone? It was filmed live in Pembroke, Ontario for a local cable channel. Whew, it's a lot of wind. My mic's probably picking up that wind. Yeah, how old was I? 22, maybe. This bag keeps floating around the backyard. Yeah, I was playing an old man wanting to kill himself. Of course, he wasn't going to. It was just part of the play. A young girl comes along and then convinces him not to. That was the whole play. Where have all the lightning bugs gone? Well, these are corn and potatoes growing here. Just planting extra potatoes, needed a plot, so cleared some grass in the yard and just planted them. Now our peas, as we've been seeing, have been doing fantastic. Ooh. I almost came out yesterday and grabbed some of these to stir fry. But, you know, I was like, no, I'm really looking forward to those whole peas. Yes, well, you can see that's pretty windy. God, I wonder if my mic is just being destroyed by the wind. Oh, sorry about that. Fingers in the way. Man, am I going to get a lot of peas? It's also something I noticed when I was looking up some recipes. You can just stir fry and eat these greens. About a 2-minute stir fry. Just for the greens. Or is it 3? Anyways, look it up yourself. But, you know, stir fry up some garlic and onions and do those for about 2 minutes. Then throw these greens in. And finish them off with some, what is it, a bit of soy sauce. Well, onions are doing fine. And the dill I said I was going to cut down that I haven't cut down. Because keep looking at these seed areas just unfurling. But yeah, soon time. All right, our carrots, oh my goodness me. All right, I did this with the prior camera. Let's see if we can do this. Wow. Look at the jungle. Zucchini flower. Zucchini. Well, there was some rain last night. A little bit. More like a spit. I was kind of hoping there would be more overnight. There was some more rain again near 11 o'clock last night. Again, just a spit. Well, I'm gonna have to go turn the soaker hose on. Because they didn't get watered yesterday. Let's do that since it's pretty early this morning. All right, are we vining? Yes, we are. Oh, wow. Wow, you just got completely fucking lunched on. Oh, excuse my language. Right, you're vining too. Good. All right, well, yes. Finally had to tie these peas off. Especially with today's wind. Oh yes, well, let's go look at our beans. We somehow just skipped over those again this morning. Okay. All right, well, looks like our beans are now doing better than than those new fresh squash leaves in terms of pestilence. All right, let's look at these leaves here. You can really tell the difference, between these red beans and, let's say like this one right here. It's not a red bean, just by the color of the leaves. Okay. Some of them there are still struggling, getting past a critter phase. But like this one there, just doing it anyway. Yeah. Okay, well, looking forward to some beans right here. Oh, there's a bean starting. Yeah. Okay. Let's go make our way to the front. And we'll probably see some berries on the bush, which means after I finish taping, I'm gonna need to go and pick. Well, look at these, eh? Just trying to grow right off the rest of these plants. It's amazing. Well, I guess I should feed this lavender. It just dawned on me. I've been feeding the bed, but I haven't been feeding this lavender. And you can tell the difference. This one here is just growing all kinds. Oh well, it's how things are. You get into a paradigm and you just do things the same way over and over again until you realize you're doing them wrong. And here's our sunflower. Oh, actually it's growing pretty tall. Look at this. The parapet. All right. Now our two squashes here continue to do well. This other one coming out of the plant that we saw yesterday. Our other sunflower that got bent out of shape but then decided to live anyway. Let's check back here. Yep, good to go. Still growing fine. I don't see any other squashes. One is doing fine. The other one seems to be surviving in spite of being right next to the morning glories. Zoom in on him. Nice. And looks like a bird trying to set up a nest in the garden bed. I mean, seriously, who sets up a nest in the garden bed? It's never happened before. Very odd. Oh my goodness. What is this mess? Okay. And our morning glories just continue to climb. All right, now let's go look at the birdshit berry bush. Am I picking today? Am I picking the berries? No. I see a lot of red. Zoom out. See a lot of red, but nothing ready yet. Ooh, this one's getting pretty bright. Let's see, it's still very sour at this point. But that bright red color is going to attract the birds and the other insects. This reminds me of that old joke. How many sexes are there? 3. Male sex, female sex, and insects. All right. That's it for this morning's report. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.